Yes. Yes. Thank you. Hallelujah. Come on. Holy come on. Okay, stand up. This is the plan. Today, quiz, you review the reading test. Tomorrow, we finish our letter to the principal. Why? Because you must. First things first. Let's try Kahoot. My connection is unstable. It is unstable. You're attacking the internet. That's over there. Okay. What's going on there? Okay, great. First thing, play this. This works. Oh. Okay. Screen here. Hello. I'm sorry, guys. Like the connection is very unstable. All right. We're back. Oh, we're back. Oh, thank you, Jesus. We're back. Are we still live on YouTube? Oh my gosh. Okay. This is what we're going to do. I will review the reading test with you first, then we'll do the quiz. I'm recording this, so you can watch it later. The other thing. Five, listen. 4, 3, 2, 1. I put the writing test, the listening test, reading test answers on Google Classroom right here. Not only that, but if you click on this, Dr. Wu also gave you my copy. So you can actually see what I wrote, okay? So this, my answers are on the Google Classroom. If you click here, you can actually see what I did for the reading test, okay? So just letting you know, go to the Google Classroom, then you can see my copy, what I did when I took the test. Okay? So you can see all my answers, all the stuff that I wrote down. Here we go. I'm going to go over the answers with you. Okay, let's do this over here. So, number 1, we need 2 problems, okay? I'm going to show you exactly where to find the answers. Just give me a second. I need to actually get the soft copy. All right, where is it here? S4. S4 tests and exams, tests. Oh my gosh, thank you, Jesus. Okay, here we go. So we have the answers over here. Share screen. Okay, so we've got answers. All right. So these are the answers. Internet or internet addiction. Improper use of the internet. Let's look at the question and then the reading passage. Question. Okay, question paper. So, what are 2 problems that results that happen because of unsupervised internet surfing? Let's take a look at the reading passage. First, find unsupervised internet surfing. I found it. Here it is. Okay, unsupervised internet surfing. So this is a serious problem because internet addiction, number 1, internet addiction. Number 2, improper use. That's the answer. Okay, so again, we found as, since, because, as a result of. So internet addiction, improper use of the internet. That's the answer to question 1. Question 2, let's go quickly. 2 is A, cautious. Oh my gosh. Now, how do we know this is cautious? What is the writer's attitude? Okay. Ready? Now, let's take a look at the choices. Is he scared, annoyed, or enthusiastic? He's definitely not enthusiastic. He's definitely not annoyed and or frightened. Take a look at these words. This is a serious problem. Okay? That's one of the key words. This is a serious problem. Serious. He's cautious. He's not scared. No, he's not scared. For no words to say he's scared. For no words to say he's enthusiastic. But he thinks this is serious. Okay? So that's a clue. Number 3, comfortable, increasing, and worrying. Okay, let's take a look. What we have to do is substitute. Would you feel at ease? Ease, like easy, right? At ease, like easy, comfortable. Okay, then we have, this is a serious problem. Okay, so where's growing? Serious, growing, disturbing. Okay. Okay, so here we have, here are some of the disturbing, right? Disturb, worry, similar words, disturb and worry. Okay, disturb and worry. Here's 3B, growing, increasing, grow and increase, similar words. All right, so 1, would you feel at ease? Internet is growing. Here are some of the disturbing results. Okay, number 4. 4 is A, saddened. Okay, repeat after me, dismayed. Dismayed. One more time, dismayed. Dismayed. So why is this A? Let's go to line 19. All right. Dismayed. Now, there are some other dis words like disappear, disappointed, dissatisfied. So if you hear dis, it's not positive. Disappointed, dismayed, disheartened. Dis is not a positive prefix, okay? So the person's not encouraged. The person's not entertained. Those are positive words, entertained, encouraged. All right. So what is this person's feeling? The person feels sad. I find it difficult. Why are they wasting so much time when they should be doing something else? Where are their parents? Why are these? So this person feels sad, okay? This person feels sad at the findings. Okay? Like disappointed, sad, dismayed. Next. 5, students or kids. We'll take a quiz on this shortly. Do you see, repeat after me, apostrophe. Apostrophe. One more time, apostrophe. Apostrophe. Apostrophe is like your enemy, your nemesis. It's hard to understand. This is different from this, or put apostrophe there. They're not the same. Okay? So again, students, students, these words have different meanings because of the S and because of the apostrophe. If you know the difference between all of these meanings, that's pretty good. Your reading level is high. If you don't know, you should probably know. Okay? You should learn the difference between all of these things. Okay, so ready. Number 5 question. What does there? There is a pronoun. There is plural, more than one. Okay, it's more than one. That means it can't be this and it can't be this. All right? It actually means it can't be this, it can't be that. Because you see there, it means one, pronoun. Okay. 2, more than one. This only means one. This only means one. This means more than one. This means more than one. There is possessive. Repeat after me. Possessive. Possessive. Possessive means to possess, to own something. Okay? So this means to own something. This, the pronoun would be they. This would be there. Okay? So I will show you. Line 20. Line 20, where are their parents? Who owns the parents? Who possesses the parents? It's the students. Do you see that? Here's they. So I find it difficult to believe that so many students waste so much time online when students should be outdoors. Students. Should be outdoors enjoying other activities such as social work, dismayed fun. Where are students' parents? Okay, it's different. This is this. This is this. Okay. Or you see kids. Okay. Then it would be. Kids. Okay, so I will quiz you on this later. I promise you, you will take a quiz on this after the reading test review. All right. See you guys. Okay, next. So, number 6. Find words or expressions that mean the opposite. Repeat after me. Opposite. Opposite. Opposite is not similar words. It means different word, different meaning. Okay? Not similar meaning or same meaning, but different. The other meaning. Okay? So, anti means against. Repeat after me. Against. Against. Against social. That's the opposite meaning. To be outgoing. The opposite is to be against social. Antisocial. Okay? Similarly, move around. Move around. The opposite is to stay. Say it again. You can move around all you want, but a different meaning is stay. Or stay in front of. Any questions? Okay, let's keep going. 7. 7 is NG. It's not false. It's NG. I made a mistake. All right. Why is it NG? If we go to the passage, where is this? Paragraphs 1 to 3? Okay. The social worker thinks students should be outdoors enjoying other activities, but we don't know what the writer thinks, okay? Not given. We know what the social worker thinks, but we don't know what the writer thinks. 7.2. The writer thinks that teenagers should not spend too much time on the internet. That's true. How do we know? Going back to this, here are some of the worrying results. Disturbing, not positive. The writer's view is not positive. The writer uses negative words. Okay? So the writer says, here are some of the disturbing, worrying results. Right? Do you see that? Do you remember that? This is a serious problem. This is a problem. This is not happy times. This is a problem. Okay? So 7.2, true. 7.3, the internet brings harmful effects to teenagers. True. Here are some of the harmful effects. Internet addiction, right? Internet addiction, improper use. That's it. Okay, so 7.2 and 7.3 are true. 7.1, not given. 8, B. 8.1, B. Okay. 8.2, A. Let's check it out. Let's go to paragraph 3 and paragraph 5. So what you have to do is substitute words. Okay. So here we go. This entertainment results in or leads to a high price or problems. Okay, so this entertainment produces problems. Okay, so carries means B, to have something as part or result or quality. Here we go, paragraph 5. Figures. These, what are these? These, what are these? Refers to this. Nearly 7%. All right, so numbers or amount expressed in numbers. Figures. These figures, this refers to this. It also refers to, if I can just make it smaller. Okay, here we go. Let's make it smaller. Really small. Okay. So figures. The figures refer to this. It refers to this. Okay. So it refers to these numbers here. So 8A, figures. Repeat after me, figures. Figures. Okay, so figures, one meaning is numbers. Okay, next. Number 9. So, according to paragraph 5, you're looking for 3 things. All right, so let's find these 3 things in the text. Paragraph 5. Oh, here we are. So easy. Here we go. So we had cheated, sexually assaulted, or harassed. All right. So what are three things some teenagers have experienced when meeting new friends? Right? Teenagers who had met friends online ended up, okay, produce, result, carry. Three things. Being, happened, cheating, sexual assault, harassment. Next. Number 10. Almost there. Oh, here we go. So we need some words. Internet addiction among Hong Kong students on the increase. Rise is unacceptable. Increase isn't a very good word, but it's the best word given all the other words. Okay? Family, just one, not more than one. Friends, more than one, not just one. Strangers, people, friends, more than one. Dangers, more than one. Barely, that's an adverb. So I will show you exactly where the words are. And this is paragraphs 4 and 5. Okay, so the increase in internet misuse. Okay, sure. It makes it easier for people to keep in touch with family and friends. All right. More alarmingly, some people have met with strangers. Okay, strangers is over here. Strangers. Okay. Or friends. Friends. Or people. All right. Next, teenagers ought to be taught about the dangers. These dangers. Finally, going out with people they barely know. So the words are in order. It's very easy. The words are in order. Next. 11. Any order. Okay, so you have to use these verbs. Okay, ready. Let's go to the question. Here we are. Please repeat after me. Educators. Educators. These are not parents. Not parents. Educators, not parents. Not friends. Not strangers. These are teachers. Okay? Education, right? Educators, education. Not your friends, not your strangers, not your parents, your teachers. So what can teachers do? Paragraph 6 and 7. Here are all the possible answers. Okay, what can be done? Education, all right, here's the key word, education. So passive voice, who teaches students? They need to know more about the dangers of meeting people online. They need to be taught about the value of a healthy lifestyle. They need to be encouraged to spend less time online and more time on other leisure activities. Those are 3 possible answers. Actually, 4. There are 4 possible answers here. 1, educators should teach about the value of a healthy lifestyle. 2, educators should teach more about the dangers of meeting people online. Number 3, educators should encourage teenagers to spend less time online. Number 4, educators should encourage teenagers to spend more time on leisure activities. See that word? And. Actually 2 things here. Some people mentioned designing a more interesting curriculum. That's another one, possible 5. Okay. Stop them from going online. Well, I didn't accept that. I'm sorry about that. Maybe I should. Yeah, that wasn't one of the answers. But maybe maybe I'll accept that. Maybe I will. Give me. I need a second here. I need to think about this. Okay, boys and girls, if you wrote educators should stop students from going online as soon as they can, when we are done with the review, come to me. I will mark it correct. Okay, I'll say it again. If you wrote this, stop them from going online as soon as they can, come to me after this review, okay? Finally, line 12. What does it in line 65 refer to? Here we go, line 12. It. What is it? It refers to the cyber world, okay? If you want, you can say the internet too. 13, according to George Lamb, what are the functions of the internet? Here we go. 1, research information. 2, find homework support. 3, get the latest news. 4, stay in touch with friends around the world. That's what George says. These are the 4 functions of the internet. 14, which of the following could not replace important in line 66? The vital. Vital is another similar word to important. Crucial is another similar word. Essential is another similar word. Serious, no. I'll show you something too. Show you something. It's interesting. Okay. Essential, vital, crucial. Did you notice they all end in AL? That's an interesting pattern. Okay. Finally, 15. What does couldn't agree more mean? Okay. I'm going to draw you a picture. This is interesting. All right, this will illustrate the points. So you have a limit, 0% agree, 100% agree. If you couldn't agree more, you're here. You can't go above here. You can't agree more. You can't 101% agree. You can't do that. That's what it means. I couldn't agree more. You're already at the limit. That's what it means. I completely agree. 100% agree. I couldn't agree more. You can't do that. I completely agree. 100%. Any questions? Okay. So going back to this question here. Where is it? If you wrote this, stop them. Can you come up? Give me your paper. I want to take a look. If you wrote that, come here. I will take your paper. Thank you. I'll take it. Thank you. Anyone else? Anyone else? Okay. Going once. Twice. Okay. Boys and girls. Now we're going to finish with a quiz on this. Remember, this is just one. This is just one, but it owns something. This is more than one. This is more than one. Owns something. Okay? Today's learning target. Learning target. I understand. So the equivalent of this would be there or theirs. The equivalent of this would be they or them. The equivalent of this would be his, her, hers. This would be like he, she, him, her. Just sharing that with you right now. This is useful for your life. Sorry, we don't have too much time. But let's try. Okay, quiz time. It's very useful for you. Okay, Kahoot, where are you? Let's take possessive pronouns. Let's try. 11 questions. Oh, yes. Let's try. Here we go. Oh, please load. Come on, Kahoot. You can do it. Please load. No. Maybe I'll play it on. I'll play it on this one. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Let's start the reading quiz. Fill in the blank. Easy, right? Easy. Benson and Benson's or his dad. Good. Oh, yes. Multi-select. It was 8 o'clock when hey, good. It was 8 o'clock when the students, they sat down. Okay, 3. The teachers watched as the students took the teachers watched as the students took the students or their exams. Okay? Good. Next. Multi-select. Benson had easy. Right. Benson had whose basketball? Well, it's Benson's basketball, his basketball. Benson had his basketball with. Benson had his basketball with Benson. Him is an object pronoun with him. Multi-select. What is all right. So you can use whose favorite holiday is, but also you can say your. All right? We didn't put your or my or mine here, but you can do that. Good. Next, we'll select favorite holiday is Christmas. Excellent. Awesome. Easy. Right. Dr. Wu's is favorite holiday, or my favorite holiday. Good. Nice job. Nice. Multi-select. This is the only one that works. You can't put this at the start of a sentence, usually. You can't do that either. These are object pronouns, not subject pronouns. Dr. Wu needs an apostrophe S. His class. So our class is for A. Okay? It's possessive. Good. Free to go. Multi-select. I have a dog. Uh-oh. Okay. Did you notice I did not use it because it is very special. This is very special. This only means it is or it has. This is possessive, okay, equals possession. Just letting you know. ITS actually means possession. This always means it is or it has. And dogs are always it. Next, last two. My shirt is blue. Okay. Okay, one. It can't be it. The shirt is blue. The shirt is blue. The shirt is not white. It Can't be it. Makes no sense. It, I told you. It means it is. It is white. It's wrong. It can't be true. All right? It can't be it. It can't be this. Your shirt is blue. To say your shirt, you use yours. Okay? My shirt is mine. Your shirt is yours. Yours is the correct answer. Let's try it one more time. Last one. Final one. Your shirt is blue. Oh! Your shirt is white. Yours is white. My shirt, mine is blue. Okay? So mine means mine equals my noun. Okay? Yours equals your noun. That's actually what it means. All right, so mine is blue, your shirt is white. Okay, good. We're done. Boy 13, Nancy, nice job. Nice job, Adam. Did it. Awesome. Colton, nice job. I don't know who number 9 is, but nice job. Good shot, nice job. Okay, we're done.